The world of robotics is entering a completely new era as Elon Musk reveals groundbreaking updates about the Tesla Bot Gen 3, a humanoid robot developed by Tesla that could transform industries and everyday life. What makes this announcement truly shocking is not just the advanced capabilities of the robot, but the claim that it could be produced at up to 50% lower cost than previously expected. This combination of higher performance and lower cost has the potential to change everything we know about automation, making robots more accessible than ever before. For years, humanoid robots have remained expensive and limited to research labs or specialized industries. But Tesla's approach suggests a future where these machines could become a normal part of daily operations in businesses and even homes. The journey of the Tesla bot began as an ambitious idea that many people initially doubted. When Elon Musk first introduced the concept, critics questioned whether a company known for electric vehicles could successfully build a humanoid robot. The early prototypes did little to silence those doubts, as they showed only basic movement and limited functionality. However, Tesla has always focused on rapid improvement and long-term vision. With the second generation of the Tesla bot, significant progress was made in walking, balance, and object handling, demonstrating that the company was capable of making real advancements. Now with the third generation, Tesla is aiming to move beyond demonstrations and into real-world applications, signaling a major turning point in the development of robotics. One of the most important aspects of Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its improved physical performance. Earlier versions struggled with speed and stability, but Gen 3 is expected to deliver much smoother and faster movement, potentially reaching speeds close to that of a human walking pace. This improvement is crucial because it directly impacts how useful the robot can be in real environments. In places like factories, warehouses, and logistics centers, efficiency is everything. A robot that can move quickly and safely between tasks becomes a valuable asset, capable of increasing productivity and reducing delays. Tesla has also focused on making the robot lighter and more energy efficient, which not only improves performance, but also reduces operational costs over time. Another major breakthrough in Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its intelligence. Tesla is leveraging its expertise in artificial intelligence, particularly the vision-based systems used in its self-driving technology, to create a robot that can learn from its environment. Instead of relying entirely on pre-programmed instructions, the robot can recognize objects, understand tasks, and adapt to new situations in real time. This represents a significant shift in robotics, as it allows the machine to operate more independently and handle a wider range of activities. A learning robot is far more valuable than a programmed one because it can improve over time and respond to unexpected challenges without needing constant updates or human intervention. The development of more advanced hands and dexterity is another key feature of Gen 3. Human hands are incredibly complex, capable of performing delicate actions as well as heavy-duty tasks, and replicating this level of precision in a robot has been a major challenge. Tesla is reportedly making strong progress in this area, with improvements in finger movement, grip strength, and control. These enhancements allow the robot to perform tasks that require both accuracy and care, such as handling fragile objects or using tools. This level of dexterity is essential for real-world applications, especially in industries where precision work is required, and it brings the Tesla bot closer to matching human capabilities. The most exciting aspect of Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its potential for real-world use. Unlike earlier versions that were primarily experimental, this generation is being designed to perform practical tasks in a variety of environments. In industrial settings, the robot could assist with assembly lines, transport materials, and handle repetitive tasks that are physically demanding for humans. In warehouses, it could manage inventory, sort packages, and improve overall efficiency. There is also growing speculation that future versions of the Tesla bot could be used in homes, helping with chores such as cleaning, organizing, and even cooking. While these applications may take time to fully develop, the progress seen in Gen 3 suggests that this future is not far away. Perhaps the most surprising element of this development is the reduction in cost. The idea that Tesla could produce a humanoid robot at 50% lower cost than expected is a game-changer for the industry. This achievement is largely due to Tesla's expertise in manufacturing and its ability to scale production efficiently. By simplifying the design, reducing the number of components, and applying the same processes, Keynesian strategies used in its electric vehicles, Tesla can significantly lower the price of its robots. This makes them more accessible to businesses, allowing for wider adoption and faster integration into various industries. Over time, as production increases and costs continue to fall, it is possible that these robots could become affordable for individual consumers as well. The impact of Tesla Bot Gen 3 on jobs and the workforce is a topic of intense discussion. On one hand, robots have the potential to take over repetitive and physically demanding tasks, reducing the burden on human workers and improving overall efficiency. This could lead to safer working conditions and higher productivity in many industries. On the other hand, there are concerns about job displacement, as automation could replace certain roles. However, history has shown that technological advancements often create new opportunities, even as they eliminate old ones. The key will be adapting to these changes and finding ways to integrate robots into the workforce in a way that benefits society as a whole. Tesla's approach to robotics gives it a unique advantage over competitors. While many companies focus on building highly specialized robots, Tesla is combining advanced AI with large-scale manufacturing capabilities. This allows it to not only develop powerful robots, but also produce them at a scale that can impact entire industries. The ability to manufacture robots efficiently and at lower cost is what sets Tesla apart and could enable it to lead the market in humanoid robotics. By focusing on both intelligence and scalability, Tesla is positioning itself as a major player in the future of automation. As anticipation builds for the official reveal of Tesla Bot Gen 3, expectations continue to rise. The upcoming event is expected to showcase the robot's capabilities through live demonstrations, providing a clear picture of what it can achieve in real-world scenarios. These demonstrations will be crucial in determining how close the Tesla bot is to becoming a practical solution for businesses and consumers. If the robot performs as expected, it could mark the beginning of a new phase in robotics, where machines are no longer limited to controlled environments, but are actively contributing to everyday tasks. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 represents a significant step forward in the evolution of robotics. With improved speed, intelligence, dexterity, and a dramatic reduction in cost, it has the potential to change how we think about automation and the role of machines in our lives. Under the leadership of Elon Musk, Tesla continues to push the boundaries of innovation, turning ambitious ideas into reality. As we move closer to a world where robots are integrated into daily life, the question is not whether this transformation will happen, but how quickly it will unfold. The future of robotics is no longer a distant vision. It is rapidly becoming a reality right before our eyes.